Hello and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we are visiting Liz and her garden pub shed, the Dash Hound. After downsizing her family home, Liz wanted a dedicated spot to entertain friends and family.
Hi, I'm Liz and I purchased a log cabin from Dunster House at the beginning of this year, beginning in February time. We downsized last September. I changed jobs. So part of the move plan was to always make sure that we've got some outside living space. So there's myself and my partner. We've been together for 15 years and I've got twins, 17-year-old, and I've got two Dash Hounds. They're the babies of the family, Monty and Ted.
Let's be honest, the dogs have taken over the house and the only space left was in the garden.
My other half is a big sporty person and he would have the sport on the TV 24/7, and I can't watch my Love Island programmes or whatever else that I want to watch, basically.
Well, we all need our Love Island fix, don't we?
We said if we were going to do it, we were going to do it to the top that we wanted, which we found. We had the double glazing, we had the extra thick walls, because we wanted it to last, and we wanted it to last forever, which we know that it will. And our entertainment space of what we wanted it for was, we knew that I could have afternoon tea, I could have my friends round. We had the double doors so that we could sit outside and have it outside inside. We could use it all year round. It wasn't just for summertime. And we've got two sofas in there that sit 3 people on each, and we've got a nice table where we can sit then and look up to the bar area as well. And then we've got 2 bar stools that sit into the bar area as well. Fabulous darts area. My other half was a big darter, that's the right word, back in the day.
Darter. Isn't that a bird?
And behind the bar we've got shelving for all of our glasses, and then we've got a fridge as well.
Oh wait, here's Monty and Ted. It looks like they've taken over the log cabin too.
So Rhine Dunster House log cabin has changed our whole outlook on life and the way that we entertain completely 360 from how we used to be before. The best thing that I love about it is that we can have friends, family round, and I can shut the door at night time and I can leave everything out there, and then the house is just still spotless as you've left it before, and then you can just go out and all the if there is any mess, it's all down there in one space. So it's just fantastic.
And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we go and explore another customer's garden. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.